already see the sheer amount of hair coming off. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Today I am doing a completely different video. I haven't done this type of video in a while, I should say. It is a review video of the Holy Grail, especially if you have pets. And I have been testing this product for a little while now, and it is absolutely amazing, especially if you have pets. This product is the Uproot Lint Cleaner, and now you can use this on a variety of textures, from carpets to clothes to cars, car seats, and it picks up all lint, all hair, and it is absolutely amazing. Uproot kindly sent me 3 products, all ranging at a variety of different prices. I will link their website down below, but I do want to show you guys these amazing products. Now, as you guys know, I did recently upload a cleaning video and I did vacuum almost my entire house. So when I used these on my carpets to test them out, it was insane how much hair came up. Now I am going to test these on my stairs because I did recently vacuum those yesterday just because I cleaned out my vacuum and I was testing that as well. So let's hop right in to show you guys what these amazing products do. So here are my stairs. I did vacuum these yesterday, so to me they're pretty clean and they seem like they are hairless. There are a few specks that I seem to have missed, but I'm gonna try these amazing products on these stairs and show you guys how well they work, and we'll see how much cat hair and just stuff they pick up. So here's a close-up. As you can see, they do look pretty clean. Just gonna throw this film in here just to kind of show you guys more close-ups of my stairs. Oh my god. I can already see the sheer amount of hair coming off. Like, as you guys see, I did like this section, but hold on, let me get it collected. But look how much hair it is already pulled up. That is insane. So this is the amount of hair it pulled off of one stair. And I kind of figured this would happen just because I have so many cats, and this product is a definite must. Now I have vacuumed these stairs like I mentioned before I did this review. I vacuumed them yesterday. I tested this brush on the carpet in my office. So these have not been brushed, and I'm so amazed at how much hair came off. I'm almost afraid to do the rest of the stairs. Seems a bit tedious, but we're gonna tackle this mess. I'm gonna use the bigger one to see if this gets it done quicker, just because like I have it and I'm gonna use it. Oh my god, it does work. This is how much hair I got off of doing my entire stairs. I can't believe it. And like I said, I did vacuum yesterday, and for this still to be on the stairs is insane. I mean, they look cleaner, and the brush actually makes them feel a lot softer. So now that I am out of breath from using the Uproot cleaning tool, lint roller thingy, I am gonna give my honest opinion on it. It works great. It is a holy grail. If you are obsessed with cleaning like I am, I would highly recommend this tool because I have vacuumed these stairs numerous times and had no idea the sheer amount of hair that was still on them, which is absolutely insane because I vacuum every single day. Now, I did try this on my carpet in the living room where it is a little bit longer. It's like one of those fuzzy rugs, but not quite fuzzy. It doesn't seem to really get the hair out of that. It just kind of gets caught on the carpet. So I would recommend basically shorter carpets like the one in my office. It works phenomenal on that carpet. There was so much hair. Like, I was going to show you guys the carpet, but I just played with the tool yesterday on my rug because Lily has been laying on it, sleeping on it while I'm editing and just kind of doing YouTube things. But yes, I highly recommend this tool, and I don't know, I have so many good things to say about it. And it is a multi-purpose tool. Like I said, you can use it in your car, you can use it on carpets, you can use it on your clothes, and I'm gonna link them all down below. So if you guys are interested in purchasing them, make sure you check the description box down below. So for the bundle that I got, it retails for $39.99, so estimating up around $40, and you get the 3 that I have, which is the mini lint roller, which is this one, the really big one, which is great for larger items such as your couch, large carpets, and apparently stairs. And then my favorite is this one. This is the little medium-sized one, and I use this one all the time on the go, and like I said, I did the entire carpet in my office with these. But like I said, these retail about $40, and you can get them down below. Like I said, I'm going to leave all of these linked, including the bundle. They are cheaper if you buy them individually, obviously, but if you're going to buy them, why not buy all of them? But anyways, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this product review, because if you're a clean freak like I am, you need these. I'm going to be probably using these in most of my cleaning videos from now on, and I absolutely love them. But I look forward to talking to you guys all in my next video and down in the comments below. Bye!